Welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest trends and ideas to elevate your home decor for every season. Today we are diving into the world of spring decorating ideas for 2024 with a special focus on incorporating macrame plot hangers into your home decor. As you know, spring is the perfect time to refresh your living space and infuse it with a new energy and vitality. With the help of macrame plot hangers, you can add a touch of natural beauty and bohemian charm to any room in your home. I hope you will like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more updates. But before we dive into the decorating ideas, let's take a moment to introduce ourselves. I am your host and resident vlogger here at Home Decor by Manur. If you are new to our channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button and join our growing community of home decor enthusiasts. Now let's talk about macrame plant hanger. These handicrafted beauties are not only a stylish addition to your home decor, but also a practical way to bring the outdoor inside. With their intricate knots and delicate designs, macrame plot hangers add a touch of fancy and charm to your own space. So how can you incorporate macrame plant hangers into your spring decor? Let's explore some ideas together. First up, consider hanging a macrame plant hanger in your living room or bedroom. Choose a sunny spot near a window and hang a lush green plant such as a rose or spider plant to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Next, let's move on to the dining area. Hang a few macrame plant hangers above your dining table or fill them with fragrant herbs or colorful flowers to create a beautiful centerpiece that will delight your sense during a mealtime. Do not forget about the bedroom and transform your bedroom in a spill-like oasis by hanging a macro plant hanger near the stool of the and the side knock of your stool in the mid of the bedroom. And last but not least, let's not overlook the outdoor space. Hang a series of macrame plant hangers on your patio balcony and fill